Hopefully you enjoyed the warmer, mild start to this work week with temperatures that did make it up into the 50s today. One thing we're watching out for tonight, well after midnight, in fact, closer to about 2 to 3 a.m., the development of a little bit of patchy fog. All clear off of the horizon, though, at 46 degrees. Southwest wind 7 miles per hour. There's enough moisture in the atmosphere. And the remnants of the steadier rain that came across the area today soaked many areas with a half to a quarter of an inch of rain. And those showers essentially have diminished outside of just 1 or 2 raindrops or a few isolated sprinkles and beneath mainly cloudy skies. A little bit of patchy fog may be developing tonight. Mid-40s is where we are now. 46 Toledo, 45 in Fremont, 43 in Monroe, 46 in Tiffin, and 43 for Ottawa and over toward Defiance. Visibility-wise, no issues right now, but as we go through tonight and well after midnight, we scroll that clock forward into tomorrow morning. There's a little bit of patchy fog that will be out there first thing tomorrow morning. Won't be all that widespread, so some areas could look just like this, crystal clear. Other areas, if we do get that patchy fog, could see visibilities down to about a half a mile. So it is a possibility tonight, locally dense in a few isolated areas, possible impacts to schools and some travel delays where that fog does persist. But at this point, we'll just call it some patchy fog. Keep it a heads up for that. May want to set that alarm a few minutes early just to assess the situation tomorrow morning. And speaking of that, we'll have that exclusive school delay hotspot map. Should we get any delays or issues with travel, you'll hear it first here on WTOL 11 with that bus stop forecast. So here's the clear skies the next few hours. That fog, if it does creep in, will be more likely south and east of the Toledo metro. So that is a better chance along down into Wood County and Hancock County and east of I-75 of getting some restrictions due to that patchy fog. A bus stop forecast, patchy fog, upper 30s. We are going to be well above freezing and highs at the afternoon, right around 46 degrees, mild with cloudy skies and a few isolated sprinkles. And then we turn much colder. Flurries going to be possible Wednesday. Turns windy and gusts of wind over 35 miles per hour Wednesday night into Thursday. Going to set us plunging back into the low 20s. Windy weather on Thursday, and wind chills may start today, Thursday, well below zero. So here's when that plunge of colder air arrives. It's Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Sends those wind chills. Yeah, sub-zero into Thursday morning for a very cold start to the day. That's going to kick off again the lake effect snow machine off of Lake Michigan. Will give us some flurries, but little to no accumulation in our area as we go through the end of the week. So patchy dense fog tonight, mostly cloudy skies down into the upper 30s. To plan your Tuesday out, a little patchy fog in the morning, cloudy skies into the afternoon. We will reach into the mid 40s, and our 10-day forecast drops us back into the low 30s Wednesday. It's going to be about a 48-hour round of cold Arctic air, some flurries. Wind chills will plunge Wednesday night into Thursday. 21 is the high on Thursday, although it's going to feel much colder than that with winds gusting over 35 miles per hour. 31 the high on Friday, low 40s into Saturday and Sunday. We will have rain chances out there on Saturday to kick off the weekend, and Sunday will end the weekend dry with highs staying in the low 40s as we go into early next week. And our 10-day trend will keep us at or above average as we go into the end of that 10-day forecast.